take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow! Come on, and move along. Come on. Said babe, I said babe, oh honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel, you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel, you gotta feel it. On the roadway, you gotta move along. Wow! Baby, you gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along.
Got a little bit dirty. Oh, this side's beautiful. Look at that. Dang. Definitely recommend checking this place out. Yeah, there's some cool four-wheel drive tracks that you can head around. I went on a drive just to Turtles just to check it out yesterday, but the swell was a bit too big, and it was seriously, it's just some unreal spots. And I'm a little bit spewing. I didn't have my GoPro and my drone all charged up because the coastline is just absolutely stunning. There's something just magical about this coastline with the cliffs and the water. It's just beautiful.
Dump and a jump. Up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Saying vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I fit it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive. And we black man with a passion. Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Jotting line with the loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right.
Ready to see some turtles? Kia ora. Can't get the drone up. It's a little bit windy and I think I need to be authorised to fly it around here. Could have got a cheeky shot, but well, I've just made a safe call. But a little bit disappointed. Oh well.